Want your baby to love food from the very first bite? Imagine a world where your little one eagerly reaches for their food, exploring new tastes and textures with joy and curiosity. This is the magic of baby-led weaning, or BLW, a method that encourages babies to feed themselves right from the start. No more purees and spoon feeding. Instead, your baby gets to discover the wonderful world of food at their own pace, developing a healthy relationship with eating that can last a lifetime. Baby-led weaning is the way to go. It's a fantastic approach that not only makes mealtime fun, but also helps your baby develop essential skills. By allowing your baby to take control of their eating, you're fostering independence and confidence. Plus, it's a great way to introduce a variety of foods early on, which can help prevent picky eating habits later. Baby-led weaning, or BLW, is all about letting your baby feed themselves from the start. This means offering them whole pieces of food that they can pick up and eat on their own. It's a hands-on approach that encourages babies to explore food with all their senses. They get to see, touch, smell, and taste their food, which makes the whole eating experience more engaging and enjoyable. Here's how to get started with baby-led weaning. Step 1. Make sure your baby is ready. They should be around 6 months old, able to sit up independently and show interest in food. Look for signs like reaching for your food or watching you eat with curiosity. These are good indicators that your baby is ready to start their BLW journey. Step 2. Choose the right foods. Start with soft, easy-to-grip foods like steamed vegetables, fruits, and tender meat strips. These foods are perfect for little hands to hold and gums to chew. Avoid choking hazards like whole grapes, nuts, and hard foods. Always cut food into manageable pieces to ensure your baby can handle them safely. Step 3. Let them explore. Place a variety of foods on their high chair tray and let them grab, squish, and taste at their own pace. It's important to remember that this is a learning process. Your baby might make a mess, but that's all part of the fun. Encourage them to explore different textures and flavors without pressure. Step 4. Be patient and relaxed. It's messy, but it's part of the learning process. Trust your baby to know how much to eat. Babies are surprisingly good at self-regulating their intake. They'll eat when they're hungry and stop when they're full. This helps them develop a healthy relationship with food and prevents overeating. Step 5. Stay close and supervise. Always keep an eye on your baby while they eat to ensure they're safe. Choking is a real risk, so it's crucial to be vigilant. Sit with your baby during mealtimes and enjoy this special bonding time together. Your presence will also reassure them as they navigate this new experience. The benefits of BLW are numerous. It encourages healthy eating habits, improves hand-eye coordination, and makes your baby a more adventurous eater. By exposing them to a variety of foods early on, you're helping them develop a broad palate. This can make them more willing to try new foods as they grow older. Remember, every baby is different. Some might take to BLW quickly, while others need more time. It's important to be patient and go at your baby's pace. Don't compare your baby's progress to others. Every child is unique and will develop their eating skills in their own time. Be patient and enjoy the journey. Baby-led weaning is not just about feeding. It's about creating positive mealtime experiences and building a foundation for healthy eating habits. Celebrate the small victories and enjoy watching your baby discover the joys of food. Want more tips and tricks on baby-led weaning? Hit that subscribe button and join our community. We share valuable insights, recipes, and support to help you on your BLW journey. Happy weaning! Happy weaning!